Welcome to EarthTab Business School. My name is Amara Okan, and I will be your course preceptor for the course Drumming and Percussion Skills. The Drumming and Percussion Skills course is a comprehensive, multidisciplinary, and performance-oriented program that equips you with the technical, theoretical, historical, and expressive knowledge required to excel in the diverse world of rhythm and percussion. It combines foundational drumming techniques with contemporary rhythmic applications, blending cultural traditions and modern innovations to create a holistic learning experience. This course is designed for individuals who seek to master rhythm, enhance musicality, understand the global language of percussion, and use drumming as a tool for artistic expression, performance, and collaboration. Whether on a traditional acoustic drum set, hand drums, auxiliary percussion, or electronic kits, the course offers deeply immersive learning paths to develop confident, creative, and professional-level drummers and percussionists. Course philosophy and pedagogical approach. Rooted in both practical performance and cultural appreciation, this course views drumming not only as a musical discipline, but also as a communicative, spiritual, and physical language. It recognizes rhythm as the foundation of all music and emphasizes kinesthetic learning, muscle memory, coordination, reflexes, oral skills development, timing, listening, syncopation, cognitive literacy, notation, counting, rhythmic theory, cultural immersion, understanding the roots of rhythm in Africa, Latin America, Asia, and Western music. You are exposed to both structured exercises and creative exploration, encouraging them to internalize time, control dynamic energy, master improvisation, and develop stage presence. Core dimensions of the course. Course format, 10 detailed modules, plus bonus assignments, video tutorials, and practice sessions, PDF guides, notation sheets, backing tracks, performance assessments, and jam sessions. Final project, live or recorded performance piece. I look forward to congratulating you upon completion of this course.